Best deals.
1. Cast iron grill pan. Made of high-quality cast iron for excellent heat retention and distribution. Elegant black color complements any kitchen decor while adding rustic charm. Weighs 3.5 kilograms for sturdy grip and effortless transfer from oven to table, suitable for roasting, baking sweet potatoes, and more. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kadai. Heavy bottom stainless steel kadai ensures even heat distribution, perfect for frying, sautéing, and curries. Monitor your cooking easily while locking in moisture for juicier, more flavorful meals. Ideal kadai for frying, boiling, curries, vegetables, and even fish curry without splatters, designed for lasting performance. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass cooking pot. Experience superior quality and elegant design with this premium glass cookware set. Crafted from 100% food-grade high borosilicate glass, it is completely lead-free, non-toxic, and a healthier alternative to plastic or stainless steel cookware. A perfect blend of safety, style, and functionality. Add it to your kitchen today and enjoy cooking with confidence. This glass pot with lid is built to withstand temperatures from 0 to 400. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Glass jars. PVC lid locks in freshness, while anti-slip base keeps the jar stable on any surface. Made from high-quality glass with a durable, lead-free metal casing that's chip-resistant and food-safe. Perfect for storing spices, snacks, or sweets, fits easily in pantries, shelves, or party setups. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stove tops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dishwash cloth. With its multi-purpose design, this wire dishwashing rag is perfect for both wet and dry cleaning tasks, making it ideal for kitchen sinks, pots, pans, and more. The innovative wire construction allows for quick and easy rinsing, ensuring thorough cleaning. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage box. Transparent airtight lid for long-lasting freshness. See your stored items at a glance while locking in freshness and preventing odors. Conveniently transport the box from fridge to table, or pantry to counter with its sturdy built-in handle. Maximize fridge or pantry space by securely stacking multiple boxes without creating clutter. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Blender juicer. Press once for blend, double press to self-clean. No settings, no confusion, no manual needed. Just results. Safe for kids, foolproof for everyone, has magnetic induction safety lock. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grill pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stove tops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Comes with a sturdy glass lid to lock in moisture and flavors, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Saucepan. Ideal for daily tea, pasta, and soup preparation. Includes a stainless steel steamer insert, perfect for steaming vegetables, pasta, dumplings, or reheating food, offering versatile cooking options. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor your food while cooking, maintaining moisture and flavor with a built-in steam release vent. Designed with a comfortable, cool touch wooden handle, the small pot ensures safe handling and easy pouring while cooking tea, soup, or pasta. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Paniyaram pan is a versatile kitchen essential, crafting a variety of snacks from traditional up to aloo bonda, paneer kebabs, and more, all in minutes. Enjoy healthier, tastier, and crispier meals without the need for artificial coatings. Its ability to retain heat ensures even cooking and delicious results every time. As this frying pan is rugged, you can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, ensuring long-lasting durability and effortless maintenance. The heat-proof glass lid features a food-grade silicone rim for a secure fit and added convenience. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer bag. Protect your bed sheets, duvet covers, and pillowcases from dust and wrinkles while keeping them neatly organized in this non-woven bedsheet organizer. Designed with a sturdy frame, it prevents fabric wrinkles and can be stacked vertically or placed horizontally. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Towel ring. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability and has high load-bearing capacity. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Paneer press. Crafted with efficiency and convenience in mind. It features an efficient paneer pressing mechanism that ensures your paneer maintains a consistent texture and firmness, offering you restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Made from non-reactive stainless steel, this paneer maker is not only health-friendly but also durable and long-lasting. It's versatile enough for use with various dairy products. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Pizza maker. The elegant, strong, non-toxic, stain-resistant, ceramic-coated metal body and glass lid withstand high temperatures to give you excellent results every time. The glass lid traps the heat inside, creating an oven-like heated chamber. The inner walls have been precisely engineered to place the pizza pan and cake mold at the correct height required for baking cakes or pizza. The strong riveted stainless steel handles help in easy placing. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Idli cooker. Prepare some lip-smacking idli pieces for your family with this idli maker. This cooker is made using stainless steel and is designed with a top lid for convenient usage. Oil the idli steamer plates, spoon the batter into the plates, set the idli steamer into a large, preheated pot with water in the bottom for steaming. Steam the batter for 5 to 10 minutes or until fluffy. Remove the idlis from the steamer and serve warm with chutney or sambar. It's compact to store and easy to clean. It's durable and sturdy. Ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cookware set. This set of topes is durable for everyday cooking and preserve nutrition so your recipes turn out beautifully. This lightweight belly-shaped tope set is designed with a flat bottom base that helps distribute heat evenly and quickly throughout the vessel and keeps the food in it warm for a longer duration. When not in use, smaller container can be stacked inside a bigger container, saving lot of storage space. With a very fine finish, it consumes low gas, oil saver, cooks faster and look great in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rack. This 5-tier rotating kitchen trolley provides ample storage for onions, potatoes, vegetables, fruits, snacks, bottles, and kitchen accessories, keeping your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Each basket rotates smoothly at 360 degrees and pulls out like a drawer for easy access. Perfect for tight kitchens, modular spaces, pantry organization, and quick daily use. Made from rust-free sturdy iron. Comes with magnetic stopper to hold the trays in closed condition. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Electric chopper. The garlic peeler attachment removes up to 80% of the skin in one go, saving time and keeping your hands odor-free. The egg whisker makes preparing fluffy omelets, lassi, whipped cream, and smooth batters effortless, cutting down on manual effort and ensuring perfect consistency every time. Premium quality 304 stainless steel 6D blades and durable ABS plastic, sharp, rust-free, and toxin-free blades ensure uniform chopping, while the sturdy ABS plastic body makes it lightweight yet long-lasting. Press and release button for precise chopping. Get the perfect texture for your ingredients with simple press and release control. Monitor and control chopping. Press for a few seconds for coarse cuts, repeat for a medium texture, or continue for a fine mince or puree. No over-processing, just the right consistency for salads, curries, baby food, or meat dishes every time. The powerful 400W motor runs at 18,000 RPM for fast chopping, while the safety lock ensures it only operates when properly assembled, preventing accidental starts. The detachable parts, bowl, blades, and accessories are dishwasher safe, while the top motor unit can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. No more kitchen mess. The perfect gift for busy moms. Help moms save time in the kitchen with this fast and efficient chopper, so they can spend more quality moments with their family instead of prepping meals. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Microfiber cleaning clothes. Highly absorbent microfiber cloth for efficient water and oil absorption. Easily cleaned, dries quickly, and can be reused. Squeeze excess water after use and hang for cost-effective reusability. Versatile microfiber rags for table surfaces, tableware, and utensils. Lint-free design perfect for cleaning windows, car glass, and decorative items. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Glass teapot. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass that withstands high temperatures without cracking or shattering. The smooth, non-porous borosilicate glass surface makes cleaning effortless. Microwave safe for added convenience and time saving in your daily routine. Features a premium stainless steel infuser for a smooth, flavorful brew, while the matching lid helps retain heat and preserve freshness. Perfect for loose leaf tea, blooming tea, or coffee, suitable for everyday use or special occasions like tea parties and gatherings. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Organizer. Keep your kitchen tidy with a bamboo pan organizer rack, designed with 5 adjustable compartments to hold lids, pans, pots, tawa, and kadai. The compact design of our rack allows you to efficiently store multiple kitchen essentials, from tawa to pot lids, while maximizing your kitchen space. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Containers. Optimize your kitchen storage with our under-shelf containers, turning unused space into valuable storage. The hanging design keeps your countertop clutter-free and organized. Enjoy hassle-free setup with 3mm HB tape, providing a secure hold without damaging your walls. No tools needed, making it perfect for renters or anyone avoiding permanent fixtures. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Organizer rack. This 3-tier kitchen organizer rack is designed for storing spice jars, oil bottles, and kitchen essentials, maximizing countertop space. Made from high-quality steel, this kitchen storage rack is rust-proof, durable, and strong enough to hold heavy bottles. Features hooks for ladles, spoons, and utensils, ensuring easy access to essentials. Ideal for small kitchens, countertops, cabinets, and pantry storage, making it a versatile kitchen rack stand steel. This kitchen shelf storage rack is effortless to maintain, featuring a smooth surface that wipes clean and quick setup without hassle. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Griller. This barbecue grill set offers a durable and versatile cooking surface, ideal for grilling, roasting, and frying your favorite foods to perfection at family events. Designed for BBQ charcoal, this griller ensures efficient heat distribution and retention, allowing you to cook delicious meals with a rich, smoky taste that everyone will love. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Cleaner brush. With this complete set of cleaning tools, you'll have everything you need to keep your drinkware sparkling clean and ready to use. Measures 15 inches and non-scratch and odorless nylon bristle easily removes stubborn stains from your bottles, carafes, travel mugs, containers etc. Its sturdy construction makes tough cleaning tasks a breeze. With the non-slip rubber grip of this bottle scrub brush, you can clean your bottles with ease and comfort. Water bottle cleaning set includes a long bottle brush, straw brush and detail cleaner with detachable organizer ring and storage hook, to provide a thorough clean for any of your drinking buddies. The full covering bristles can achieve 360-degree cleaning without dead ends, and the flexible brush can easily extend into the narrow mouth bottle. Whether it is turned clockwise or counterclockwise, our water bottle cleaning brush can clean quickly. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Kadhai. The non-stick coating is not spoiled by high heat, which allows you to cook crisper and tastier food. The German ceramic used in the non-stick coating is of high quality and lasts longer, making it a durable option for your kitchen. Another advantage of this pan is that the Hawkins ceramic non-stick does not contain PFAS or heavy metals, making it a healthier and safer option for cooking. The toughened, thick glass lid is made of heat-resistant glass with a strong stainless steel rim and stay-cool knob. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Milk pot. It is made from rust-proof stainless steel which ensures your milk doesn't split by reacting with the container, remains hygienic. It comes with an inner lid system which reduces the spillage of milk. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Container. Elevate your kitchen game with our sleek and versatile containers set, ensuring everything from spices to snacks finds its perfect place, making cooking a breeze. With airtight containers for kitchen storage, you can preserve the freshness of your ingredients for longer periods, preventing moisture and pests from spoiling your food. From masala to grains, these containers are perfect for storing all your kitchen essentials. Keep your pantry organized and your ingredients easily accessible with our versatile set. Stackable and space-saving design ensures you make the most of your kitchen space. Say hello to a clutter-free countertop and neatly organized cabinets. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. It's easy to store and clean. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Glass water bottle. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, this 750 ml glass water bottle is resistant to sudden temperature changes and chemical corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the 30th link.